the target, an unsuspecting home.
Wow, how convenient. This window is open and it doesn't appear that there are sensors on it. Doesn't look like there are any motion sensors inside the house either.
Bruh.
Pranked! Ha! Got him!
Okay, yeah, it's definitely armed. That is an armed house right there. Oh man, how am I gonna get out of this armed house now? I need to steal it,
Microwave.
but I can't take the
Microwave.
through the window. Oh man. What am I gonna do? Oh wow. Those are shit. Those are garbage.
Bullying is a crime.
Good thing I just have this convenient magnet that you can just use to bypass these garbage shit little sensors.
Nice.
The f***ing door was unlocked.
Put a sock in it. No one cares.
Okay.
Hey, that's pretty good.
What a garbage shit alarm. Garbage shit alarm. I got a f***ing Pickle Rick card. Footage of the Pickle Rick card.
Use Pickle Rick.
Pickle Rick!
Now it's time for the ultimate crime. Theft under $500.
Holy smokes.